Well, it is currently Monday morning, and Friday of last week, I was having some nutrient issues, and the lettuce that you see here is Super Jericho, and I was hoping to do a full water change and balance out my nutrients to see if it had any impact. So the results so far on the lettuce look very nice. For some reason, the one lettuce plant behind there still looks a little pathetic, but overall, I'm getting better results in just a matter of a few days. The leaves showed quite a lot of nutrient issues. There was leaf margin and almost looked like necrosis, on some of the leaves. But so far, after the last video where I showed you the pruning and the water change out, the switch of nutrients over to AeroGarden nutrients, and raising the light up in order to get a little bit less PPFD to allow these plants to recover, they're not looking too bad. And while the older leaves have greened up a bit, they still have a little bit of yellow coloration on the margins of the leaves. But the new vine growth is coming in strong, and I'm quite happy with that. The new vine growth that was on the plant on Friday was also looking like it had nutrient issues, but this is an excellent sign. So overall, quite happy with this. If we were to take a look at the roots, you recall on Friday I did trim off the bottom of the roots, and they're looking about the same. Maybe a little bit of activity in terms of the actual root tip growth. The water is a little darker than last time, and that is because of the switch in nutrients from Dyna-Gro 1, 2. Oh, good gracious! I sound like I'm counting. Dyna-Gro 936 over to the AeroGarden nutrient. It does color the water a little bit more. One other thing to keep in mind is that the optimal temperature for growing cucumbers is somewhere between 60 and 85 degrees. My office has been around 72, 74 degrees. However, over the weekend, the AC broke here and sent the temperatures in my office up around the unhealthy range above optimal growing, where cucumber plants start to suffer and their growth is impaired. I'm actually even getting some new flowers on these cucumber plants, and so that is a positive sign as well. So I guess when it comes to hydroponics, the key in several of these issues that you run across would be that be observant, because if you can jump in and recognize what's going on and make the appropriate change as quickly as possible, it's often a case where you can recover your plants and not have to face a total loss of what you're growing.